Hello students, welcome to Biology Concepts. Students, today I am going to teach you Protista. Protista actually it is known as a unicellular eukaryotic organism. It is also represents the link between the Monera, plantae, fungi and animals. That's why it is also known as ancestors of multicellular eukaryotic organisms. Look at here, these are the types of Protista. There are three types are there. What are they? Autotrophic or photosynthetic. The common examples are dinoflagellate, diatoms, euglenoid. Consumer decomposer organism, cellular slime mold and acellular slime mold. Protozoan, the common examples are zooflagellate, sarconates, sporozoan, ciliates. Look at here student, these are the characteristic features of Protista. It is a unicellular colonial tissue level is absent. Generally it is an aquatic. Membrane bound organelle is present. ATS ribosome is present. Cellulosic cell wall is present. Here both flagella and cilia arrangement would be considered as 9+2 arrangement of microtubule protein. My dear student, let us see that mode of nutrition. It is photosynthetic, also called that halophytic, holozoic ingestion or ingestive. Mixotrophic nutrition mostly seen in the euglena. Euglena also known as what? It's a connective link between plant and animal. Look at here, reproduction, the sixth point. It is shows sexual and asexual reproduction. And coming to that seventh point is a zygotic meiosis and gametic meiosis we can observe here. Now we are going to discuss the first one is that photosynthetic Protista. 80% of the photosynthetic Protista on the earth is belong to diatoms only student. Photosynthetic Protista is also known as the Protistian algae. It is a major portion of the phytoplankton student. Here you can see diatoms. Diatoms is a golden brown photosynthetic Protista. It is also known as the chrysophytes. Chrysophytes means what? It is a diatoms and desmite. It is a aquatic and as well as a terrestrial. It is a unicellular. Except reproductivity stage, it don't have any flagella. It is always a floating due to the presence of lightweight lipids. And coming to the cell wall is very important for the NEET exam. The cell wall is made up of silica or siliceous shell. That is what we call now frustule. Here body symmetry, there are two types, pinnate type, centric type. Pinnate type is also known as bilateral symmetry. Centric type is also known as radial symmetry. Pinnate type, it is a common example, Navacula. Centric type common example is that Melocera. My dear student, you can see this is a cell wall of diatom. It is look like a soap box. The upper part is called that epitheca. The lower part we call that hypotheca. And it has a central vacuum. And the nutrition it is photosynthetic, also called halophytic. And coming to the pigments, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, beta carotene, fucoxanthin, xanthophylls, diatoxanthin, diadonoxanthins are present. This is a very important. The reserve food material in diatoms are oil, leucosin, also called as chrysolaminarin. Volatin granule is present. My dear student, it shows gametic meiosis. The very important point that is, what is the movement of diatom? It shows the mucilage propulsion movement, and it shows the fission and the statospores are present, sexual reproduction, isogamous, anisogamous, oogamy. Right student? The next one is that economic importance of diatoms. Generally the siliceous shell of diatoms, it forms heap. That heap what we call diatomaceous earth, also called that diatomite, also called that kieselguhr. And it is that used as a insulating material in many refrigerators, boilers and furnaces. My dear student, it is also used as a cleaning agent in toothpaste and metal polishes. It is requiring for the filtration of alcohol, antibiotics and sugar.